Hello everyone, today I'm making hummus, two colors. The red one is from the beet and I made the shape of yin-yang. Welcome to Saigon Cook Travel. I am Saigon Cook. For the white color, you can check my previous video. And I already saute white onions and cook the chickpea. Now let's start with the red one. The way that I saute onion, that I added olive oil in the skillet and I drop in the red onion because I want to get the red color, so I use red everywhere. Red onion, red beet, and the color will become so beautiful. I just saute it so that it cook, and now I add the beet. You can see the beet is so vibrant color and fresh. I love it. I also add half a cup of water to have it softened, and I also add the seasoning. The seasoning go with parsley, no salt seasoning, garlic powder, and oregano. My husband doesn't eat salt, so I use no salt seasoning, but you can add salt at this point. Beside those, I have lemon juice that I took from the lemon and lemon zest, and in place of tahini I use peanut butter. And the green onion I also cut, but those for the garnish. So I started grinding the white one. I add the onion and the chickpea. Remember, when you cook the chickpea, add vegetable stocks so that you can puree now, because they need liquid to make it smooth and not so thick. So first the onion and chickpea and beets and lemon juice and zest and peanut butter. I just added peanut butter and let's puree it. You can make it very smooth by using a Vitamix or a good blender. Like last time when I made white hummus, that I have one recipe before. You can follow the link I will leave in the description box below for you to reference. Now, oh, by the way, if you want to read the instruction, go into description box below as well. Now, to be fun, I make the shape yin-yang like in Chinese culture, yin-yang. So the white now I make the white, or actually if I say correctly, no color. Here, the yin-yang symbol. Remember to make the big head and then the skinny tail. Now I make the red one, the opposites. The big head underneath and the small tail embrace the white, the no color. You can use the Google to get the symbol for your reference. It's very forgiving. You don't need to be very precise. You can see my red color very pops. Wow, I like this beet color. It's so vibrant. You can go back and fix the white, the no color hummus to embrace the red, and the rest embrace the no color. You can see that's pretty much this, and I love it. You can see here. Yeah, I should have made a dot, but I won't, because I will make a ridge between the two and pour the olive oil in on it, so I don't do the dot. But if you want very precise to get the dot there, okay? You see, between them I make a ditch so that I can pour the olive oil in it. Normally, if one color, you make swirl from the top and drizzle olive oil on it. But now I have two color and I make the olive oil like a canal between them. Remember I said about green onion garnish. Now this is Thai, they go on the plate. Let's go around like this. And this is the olive oil. When you eat raw olive oil, you should get extra virgin. You can see the color, very green olive oil. And I drizzle along the dish. And that's it. I'm happy with it. And my husband will scoop it with celery. I already washed, remove the fibers, and chop for him to pick up and scoop the hummus. I think I did a good job. Look beautiful and very inviting, and you are invited. Thank you for watching. Please like, share my video, and please subscribe to my channel for more videos to come. Bye bye.